name is Giselle and welcome to my Music Foundation YouTube tutorial videos. Today we will be discussing about silence. Silence is also part of music. It is part of many songs and it is part of our everyday lives. With silence in music, when we are reading music, we have a quarter rest, which has a value of 1 count. We have a half rest with the value of 2 counts. And lastly for today, we will discuss about the whole rest, which actually takes its value from the time signature. And for the next video, I will be discussing more about time signatures. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.